Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the March 2024 Bargain Bead Box. And the theme for this month is Seafoam Sunrise. And the description is as follows. Get ready for spring break. Vacation vibes abound with an array of amazonite, including a top-drilled teardrop focal, high-quality 8mm rounds, and micro-faceted 3mm beads, plus a pair of faceted half-drilled drops and a strand of matte flower amazonite. In addition to all this blue-green beauty, you'll find frosted 10mm agate beads and sparkling crystals in peachy sunrise hues, plus antique copper findings with fun swirled motifs.
Hi guys, how you doing? How life is treating you? Today we have another set. This is number one, this is number two. Let us know which one you like better. And we're gonna start with number one, which is
Number one is a 30 by 18mm amazonite teardrop pendant.
super pretty. This is flat, the back, and this is the front. Very, very nice. Number two is
Number two, 3mm amazonite faceted round beads.
they're very, very pretty. The color combination is very nice. It's a good amount for do like a 14-inch choker. Super nice. And number three is
Number three is an 18 by 16mm amazonite half drilled faceted teardrops.
and they're very pretty. They are the hole is on the at the bottom. You use it as pendant because they're not the same. They're not gonna go with earrings, so you have to use it as pendant. Number four is
Number four is a 7.5-inch strand of 8mm amazonite round beads.
and this is nice for a simple bracelet. Look how pretty with that combination. Beautiful. And number five is
Number five is a 14.5-inch strand of 8mm flower amazonite matte round beads.
look this combination. I'm in love with it. This is so pretty. They combine it so nice. It's dull, like this one over here. It's not shiny. It's not shiny at all. It's very pretty. And it's good for a shoulder. Number six is
Number six, 10mm agate matte round beads.
wow. Look at the colors. I love them. Look at that one. Very pretty. And like I said, it's a good amount for a simple bracelet. Look at that. Very pretty. Number seven is
Number seven, an 8 by 6mm crystal faceted rondelles. It's a peaches and cream mix.
this is so pretty. You can make simple bracelet, simple necklace if you wanted to. But if you want, you can just add something in between like this, or maybe this one in the middle. Look at that. Look how pretty. Very nice. Number eight is
Number eight, 8mm crystal faceted drop beads in marbled mint.
look the shape of it. The shape is so pretty. And you can make a simple bracelet. It's very shiny. That's why I put it on this one and not on this one. But you can do it there too. You can add a little sparkle to it. Super pretty. And number nine is
Number nine, two 34 by 22mm filigree teardrop pendants.
very nice. These are going to be earrings because they are so pretty. You can add like a hanging drop thing. You can add another bead up here. it will make very, very nice earrings. And number 10 is?
Number 10, 4 19 by 16 millimeter scrolled chandelier findings.
Look at the details on those chandeliers. They're simple, but very detailed. Super nice, super pretty. For earrings, for the necklace. So you have a set right there. Very pretty. And number 11 is?
Number 11, a 7 by 5 millimeter ornate lantern spacer beads.
Look at that. It's not heavy at all. It's very detailed and have a lot of details. I hope you can see them. It's super pretty. And number 12 is?
Number 12, 37 millimeter scrolled bead caps.
The details. I don't even know if the camera make them justice, but the details are very, very nice. Very, very pretty. And it's very good metal. Very good metal. Number 13 is?
Number 13, 3 sets of modern floral toggle clasps.
You see the details on this one? That's how the details are on the cap. It's super cute. Very well made. Very, it's thick, but not heavy. Very, very nice. And number 14 is?
Number 14 is 1 meter of 5 by 3 steel cable jewelry chain.
Look at the link. The link is like a medium size. Super pretty. And it's a good amount like always. And number 14. Number 15, sorry.
Number 15, 10, 15 by 10 millimeter brass leverback ear wires.
And I love this one. It's beautiful. Look at that. You can even use it for that. Very, very simple. And then you have a beautiful, simple earring set. We can do that too. Make our life easy. And number 16 is?
5 grams of 40 millimeter 22 gauge steel eye pins.
And these are very nice. They're very good material. Good to have them. And the last one is?
The last one, which is number 17, is a 12 by 6 millimeter brass pinch bail in antique copper.
It's very beautiful. And they send it so you can attach it to this. This is how it's going to look. Very, very pretty.
This was everything in the March 2024 Bargain Bead Box. Coming up are a few of our creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you next time. Bye.